Well, ladies and gentlemen, we need to maintain a graph in the mind of people so that people could listen here. I would like to invite the first person of the day on this stage. And of course, ladies first. Miss Dipti ke piche Arpita. Please. Do you know this?
Yes,
If it is here, it means?
I have to increase my volume.
If it is here?
I have to neutral it.
If it is here?
I have to slow down my voice.
And you don't have to go in a speed, right? Relax. Let people enjoy your talks.
Okay. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Miss Arpita, and I am here to present on the topic how to be a leader and a responsible person. So here I go. Okay, nowadays what I have observed is people have either forgotten or they are misunderstanding what's the actual meaning of being a leader. Like they just assume that if they complete one task efficiently, they are a good leader. Or let's say, yes, if you give a task, they do it successfully, they assume they are a good leader. But in reality, leadership is much more than that. If I take the example of today's life, our parents, our mother and father, they are the main leaders. Who is leading us? They take the responsibilities, they do sacrifices, and they shows the well-being of our family. Like, if I take the example of you all, many boys here are above 20. They are slowly and steadily becoming the breadwinners of their family. What's the breadwinner? Breadwinner, if a person takes the responsibility of the family, he or she starts earning. They are called the breadwinners of their family. Like, they are becoming the main leaders. And conversely, a woman also, who nurtures the family, who takes care of the family, they are becoming the lead part of it. Leadership is not just a skill that you have to learn. It's a quality that develops within a person over time. Like, it's a quality which develops up in a person over time. If you are a responsible person, if you have the capacity to be in forefront when in need, you are already a leader. Leadership is not just made, leaders are not made by their words, they are made by their actions. Now let's come to the main topic, that how to be a leader. I have 2-3 points.
Wait. You are really going well. What a great thought you have, Arpita. But you're not persuading people. You're not persuading people. You're not convincing people. You have to come to. Excuse me. Let me tell you.
Okay.
एकदम इनको ना भूख जनरेट कराओ कि सुनो भाई वही मेरी बात को सुनो. You're just informing this, that. No. Go to people. If you think I need to go there, you can go. Okay.
Now let's come to the main part of the presentation, that how to be a leader. I have 2-3 points which I can tell you, according to me, you can be a leader. First, you have to think before you speak. Like, male leaders don't just say whatever they are wishing. They have to think according to the well-being of the people also. They cannot be the self-seeking or self-centered personality.
और आराम से. They cannot be.
Okay.
हल्के अंदाज से. हाँ, कोई नहीं. Go.
They cannot be self-seeking and self-centered personality. The most important thing, you have to be calm and composed in every situation you are dealing with.
Good.
A male leader is a person who analyzes the situation and think accordingly. So, if you want to be a leader, you have to do work very well.
Volume up. If you want to be a leader,
If you all want to be a leader, you have to work accordingly.
Yes.
At last, I want to end my presentation with a line that leadership is not just a trait. It's a quality which you have to develop in self. So, just stand up, rise up. Stand up, rise up. Take the accountability and lead by example. Thank you.
Very nice, have a seat.
Will improve. It is not your education, it is not your skill, it is not your knowledge who makes you leader. It's the opportunity to take the responsibility.
It's your determination.
Right, it's your determination who is going to make you the leader. Everyone wants a leader. As I say at the opening my statement that the leaders are not born.
Yes.
They are made.
Yes.
Then why we are not able to make multiple leaders here? They are not all of, or you are not going to be leaders. Some of you, why? Because someday you have to take responsibility. Some come forward, some goes back. That is how people are going to remember you as a leader. That time you come forward. That is how leadership and responsibilities are related. That is okay.
Why are we irresponsible all the times? Are you responsible? I am also responsible.
Yes, you are.
We all are responsible, right?
You have responsibility of all of us.
Really? Yes, sir. Make me know, why am I responsible?
Because you are the leader of us.
Why am I leader?
We think that you are the leader and we follow you. That is how you
But
are
why
a leader.
did I take this responsibility and determination? Why?
To become the leader of our
And
of
then what
everyone
next?
who is
He is saying that you have taken fees, that's why you are leader. Yes, he's right, of course.
no, I don't think so. Because you are knowledgeable.
No, I have taken fees.
You are knowledgeable. That is why we
So
came
I
here.
can give it
and
free
you
of
took
cost as
responsibility.
well?
At the time of admission, you just refuse us that I am not going to teach you.
But I just took
But
money,
you
that's
took the
why I'm teaching.
responsibility that this person
I
needs
took
me.
money, not responsibility, you know.
This person is eager to learn, so I will teach him.
I'm standing here just because of money.
Yes, money involves also. But money you can earn from anywhere. I mean, you can earn from the YouTube, you can earn from the various other sources.
Exactly.
But it's your leadership skill who accepting us.
And
To
this
get
this quality of leadership is making me earn more.
Earn more.
That's why I'm in leadership.
That is why I am motivating you to be the leader. So that you can fluent in English and open your English speaking course in front of and talk.
Of course. Of course. Of course. Yes. I will be the happiest person if you become my competitor. Exactly. And that will become your duty and beauty to follow your responsibility.
Right.
Come on. Yes. Please, sir, have a seat. Very nice, very nice. You are responsible for your responsibility today.
Yes, sir.
The topic is responsibility. And you have to change yourself today.
Yes, sir.
Non-inferiority complex. Tell people that I am confident and learn something from me. Please.
Ladies and gentlemen, today,
Today.
ladies and gentlemen, today I'm standing on this stage. I will speak with very fantastic, bombastic and enthusiastic. If I am not able to speak, I would be responsible for that.
Ah. Yeah.
If I'll
Yes.
able to speak, also I would be responsible for that.
But today.
Ladies
Ladies and
and
gentlemen.
gentlemen, this is me, Sikha Kusaha. Today, I will talk about responsibilities. What is responsibilities and how to become a responsible person? I want to know. Don't look at me this.
What happened? Don't look at you? Who's looking at you? It's good.
Yeah.
So why are you like Marjama? Yes. Let them look at you. It's fine. Come on.
Today, I will talk about responsibilities and how to become responsible person.
Yes.
Are you guys responsible?
Yes.
Definitely? Yes. Do you have capability
Yes.
to fulfill your responsibility.
Yes.
Show me your ability.
Yes.
But yes, of course, by listening me carefully.
Yes. बहुत अच्छे, very nice, very nice.
By the way, I want to know what is responsibilities.
I
Anyone?
want to know. I want to know.
I want to know what is responsibility, sir. Sir.
I don't know because I
Oh my God! You need to hear. You don't need to hear, sir.
You should go away from here.
Yeah, you should go away. Tell me, sir, what is responsibility? Do you have any perspective, any image about responsibility? Tell me, sir. No! I'm sad, sir. I'm very sad. The people are said that I'm responsible person, even they don't know about the definition of responsibility. Let me tell you what is responsibilities actually. The ability to respond in the right way is called responsibility. As simple as that. It is not simple as you think. If you think, don't think.
बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे.
Today, you are sitting here by your decision.
Yes.
And you are responsible for this. To take responsibility to fulfill your future, to make the image in your future, to make a position in your this class,
Yes,
to make
yes.
a position in speaking in this stage. But no,
Yes.
but no, we are made for only blaming. We are made only blaming.
Stop blaming, guys. Come on.
Stop blaming. Like we blaming our teacher. We blaming our parents. We blaming our girlfriend, boyfriends, wife, husband. Even we didn't spare God. Oh God, what have you done with me? I'm poor because of you. I'm unemployed because of you. I'm so sad because of you. I'm not even to sleep because of you. What is nonsense is this?
बहुत अच्छे. Yes. The nonsense is
These
this.
responsibilities, ladies and gentlemen, if you are thinking this is not your fault and you are not responsible for this, you are making a blunder mistake. Blunder mistake? Do you know blunder mistake? Blunder mistake, a great mistake you are making. If you realized that it is your fault and you are responsible for the situation, then you will work upon it. You will work upon you. Mark my word, ladies and gentlemen, if you have notebook, mark my word. By taking responsibilities, you will become a leader.
Yes.
Mark my word. Responsibilities, as sir said, responsibilities is opportunity. Responsibilities is chance. So I want to say that take responsibilities as much as you can.
Yes.
Never blame or claim any one person. Stop procrastination.
Arey wah.
Because, ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow never comes.
Yes.
Be a leader. Take accountability. If your result is negative or positive, take responsibility for that and work upon it. Even for which nowadays we are fighting to each other. I have Article 21, I have Article 19. It also has responsibilities. Do you know? Under Article 21, I have fundamental rights. Why you don't forget about your fundamental duties? Why you forget about your responsibilities? It has, if you have fundamental rights, you have fundamental duties. As we can, responsibilities. I want to wrap up my session with these words. Your responsibilities create your better tomorrow. Thank you very much for listening me carefully.
You have been
You have been a great audience of the day.
Very nice, very nice. Wait. Tell me that. You spoke everything, right? You felt inferiority complex today?
No, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
You spoke confidently
Yes,
today?
sir.
How did you?